Okay, we got a problem with a meter. This meter won't power on for the customer. Customer had a problem, said, hey, I can't get this meter to turn on, it won't work. And I run some tests, right? So what I did is I grabbed a plug like this, which is your Samsung standard fast charger. It comes with a lot of the Samsung phones. It does super fast charging or whatever. You can see it on there if you read. It says super fast charger. I'm going to plug it in down here on the bottom of my bench down here. You'll just have to trust me. It is what it is. Plug it in. Hook it up on any USB-C. Has USB-C plug on both sides. Go to plug it in and no power. Unit won't turn on no matter what I do, right? So first issue. Next, go up to like this fancy charger right here. This is a 140 watt charger, super fast charger, USB-C on this side, USB-C on that side. It's a different kind of port. Plug it in right here. Doesn't recognize anything. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't work. Nothing turns on. Take that same charger right here, plug it up on the telephone. As soon as I plug it in, it starts off at 0.1 volts. See if I can get it to start and show you. 0.1 volts, and then it jumps up to super fast charging right there. Unplug that one, plug into this other one that plugged in down here, charge it up. As soon as I plug it in, it says super fast charging, works right away. So both these are charging a telephone just fine, but will not charge the unit, right? So then I go back to what I told pretty much everybody. This is just so for you guys to know. I recommend this size, this plug right here, which is a USB-A right here plug, over to a USB-C. The reason being is they have to have a handshake. This one right here has a fail-safe. It falls back to 5 volts because it hooks to a computer. So you hook it up on here, plug it in, it turns on the unit right away. You got power on and off, works just fine. On this fancy battery pack right here, or if I unplug this same plug and I have a wall plug over here on the side over here. So plug it into that wall plug, see if I can get it twisted the right way the first time. I did not. And now it powers on the unit. It's literally just the smart chargers. They have the fancy power delivery protocol, and they have to read voltage to start with. They have to see a handshake, and this meter has no handshake, so it has to have a failsafe. It has to be able to fall back. So you could go a simpler hookup, and it can hook up to your cheap Walmart hookups. They have like a little 5 volt, 2 amp USB-C on both side chargers, and that would work, but that requires you reading a bunch of labels. If you get a plug that looks like this, no matter what, every single time that I've ever seen, it works every time. There may be an exception on a plug, but I've yet to find one. All right, guys, good luck. Hope you enjoy these meters, and if you got any questions, message me anytime.